So, you thought working at NASA is boring or just for rocket scientists?
I love my job because it's inspirational.
Me gusta mi trabajo porque traemos a varias culturas de todo el mundo para trabajar en un propósito único de explorar el universo.
I love my job because it's dynamic.
Hi, I'm Zyra LeBron, a human resources specialist for NASA. I'm here at the Kennedy Space Center on Florida's sunny East Coast. You just heard from NASA employees that are excited about their careers and love what they do. Do you want a career that you'll love while doing something that contributes to the future of space exploration? Are you ready to launch your career? Well, think about a job with NASA.
NASA's mission is to pioneer the future in space exploration, scientific discovery, and aeronautics research. To do that, thousands of people have been working around the world, and off it, for more than 50 years, trying to answer some basic questions, like what's out there in space? How do we get there? And what will we find? The NASA workforce is made up of a diverse group of people and has a diverse and amazing list of careers. There are jobs in engineering, finance, public affairs, scientific research, education, earth sciences, robotics. There's just no end to the opportunities.
My name is Teresa. I am an industrial engineering student, and the work I do involves enterprise architecture, which shows the relationship between the business aspect and the systems that we use daily.
Even if you're not a student, a career at NASA could be just what you're looking for.
A big part of the NASA workforce consists of people with scientific or engineering backgrounds. Ever dreamed of working directly on a rocket engine? Or helping design the next vehicle or science experiment that will be launched into space? With NASA, all those things are possible. Nelson Lerma is a mechanical engineer that works on just about any type of rocket motor.
Well, the moment I walked into the door, I started working right away. I saw the orbiter Discovery. I was given a task to work on the hydraulic system, and I worked with tons of engineers that had lots of experience, and it was quite amazing to dive in and start working immediately on an orbiter that was going to take off in a month.
NASA offers college students the opportunity to gain real-world, hands-on work experience in their field of study while they're going to school. NASA co-op programs and internships are some of the best available. They're flexible, easier than you might think to get, and can open the door for opportunity.
I would say the fact that you're in the same boat with a lot of people from Ivy League schools, from Harvard, MIT, and so you tend to feel like, well, I'm not coming from one of those schools if you're coming from a state university, so you feel like maybe those people are going to get preferential treatment over you, and that's not the case. It doesn't matter what school you come from. It really matters on your skills, your passion for what it is that we do here, and your ability to fit in with that.
As a co-op, I was assigned a mentor, so I worked underneath a more senior engineer for the entire time. And I was assigned projects and given guidance and help throughout with all my different projects that helped me both learn how to work here better at NASA and, in my instance, helped me better off at school too. I learned some things I applied back into the classroom, so it was a very collaborative experience for me. Don't worry at all. Not everybody that works here is astronauts and rocket scientists. There's an opportunity for everybody here at NASA.
And NASA isn't limited to just one location. We have centers across the country. You may be closer to the career of your dreams than you think.
So my internship at Dryden has been awesome so far. I can't believe how fun it's been and how relatable all the people have been. And I can just go ask anyone sitting at their desk a question and they'll just take the time out of their day and teach me what's happening. It's been amazing. I just can't even explain how much I've learned and how much fun I've had while doing it. And I don't think I fall asleep researching anymore.
Multiple career fields merge together to create the NASA community at our centers across the U.S. Work in spaceflight, research, and technology in support of the International Space Station are just some of many exciting objectives for the agency.
This is exactly what I want to do. My last rotation was in structures, but I'm a very vocal individual. I like to communicate, and I like to be out here on the flight line helping launch these fighter jets.
NASA is providing information and new technologies that are saving lives and improving the way of life for the entire world. So, if you want to make a difference, NASA needs bright, smart, creative people just like you.
I went to the career fair and saw the NASA recruiter and decided to go up to talk to him, and he gave me some information to go to the website, and I applied, and 2 months later I got a phone call from NASA to come to an interview. I was excited.
Becoming a co-op really wasn't that hard. I walked into my career co-op office and they directed me to NASA, so I submitted an application, turned in the required documents, and it was pretty much just a waiting process and being persistent, and eventually I got a call and I became a co-op.
NASA is a leader in hiring people with disabilities, giving you any kind of adaptive thing that you need to really make you feel like your environment is no different than anybody else's. And that's one thing that, especially here at KSC, has been amazing. You don't feel any different than anybody else. The expectations are the same, and so you shouldn't think about that as something to inhibit you from applying.
And I think that being a co-op with a company before you work there full-time is a great way to get a feel for how the company does business and what the corporate culture is like. It's really affected my career in a positive way here at NASA.
So, you heard it yourself. NASA careers and NASA student programs promote diversity, innovation, teamwork, and success. There are so many opportunities at NASA that even the sky isn't the limit. Whether you're a professional or a student, NASA could be the opportunity of a lifetime. Come join us.
Don't think that it's out of your reach. There's something for everyone at NASA.